What's up, everybody? My name is Will Orrock.
And my name is Connie, and we are
We Evolve Dance and Fitness.
And today we're going to talk about how to move our hips in Bachata basic steps.
And we're also going to go to a new step called second basic. So let's just get right into it. When you use your hip movements, there's a couple ways to do it. All right. So there's a couple of ways that you can execute the hip movement in bachata. And one of them is the common one where you see people go up like this, or you actually see a little shuffle like this, almost like a cha-cha step. So we're going to show you how that's done right here, right now.
But before we start, I wanted to tell you that in order to move your hips more softly, I recommend you to keep your knees soft so you can move your hips more. If you keep your knees straight, it's going to be very hard for you to move your hips. So just remember, keep your knees soft so your hip will move better.
All right, so here we go. We're going to go to our left side, and we go 1, 2, 3, hip, 1, 2, 3, hip, 1, 2, 3, hip, and 1, 2, 3, hip. Now, kind of what I'm doing is we're going to turn to the side here so you can see. And what happens is when I go like this, I leave my heel up and I extend my knee, and that's what actually pushes out my hip. See this? I don't lower that heel. If I lower that heel, I would still get that effect. If I lower down my foot, we would be doing the other way to do the bachata movement. But I'm not teaching you that yet. So here we go. We go here and we go up. Now we're going to do it in partners, and we go like this. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up, and 1, 2, 3, up. Now let's go to the second one by doing more of a shuffle. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 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 Now let's do it in partners. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, shuffle.
So it's up to you if you want to do it lifting your heel up or doing the shuffle like Will said. Hay dos maneras de mover tu cadera cuando bailas bachata. La primera es levantando el taco o la parte de atrás de tu pie cuando terminas en la cuenta número 4. Por ejemplo, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. De esta manera, lo que estamos haciendo para generar movimiento de cadera es levantando nuestro taco o la parte de atrás de nuestro pie. La segunda forma de mover tus caderas es, tiene el nombre de shuffle, y mantienes tus pies tocando el suelo, pero mueves las rodillas como rozándolas, pum pum, de esta manera. Entonces, ¿cómo se ve bailando hacia un lado y el otro? Vas step to the side, paso hacia el lado y mueves tu cadera de esta manera. Luego haces el paso hacia el otro lado y manteniendo tus pies y la parte de atrás de tu zapato tocando el suelo, solamente mueves la cadera porque tienes soft knees o tienes las rodillas dobladas. Y cambias una rodilla hacia otra, estirándola y doblándola.
Exactamente lo que ella dijo. Perfecto. Okay, so the next step we're going to teach you now is the second basic. And the way the second basic goes is like this. We're going to go to our left. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now that you have a little bit of that hip movement, you can do it here. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. This is a great second basic or a figure to use to practice this hip movement because you're not having to travel so far to do that hip movement. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap, 1, 2, 3 with the shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Tap, 1, 2, 3. Tap, 1, 2, 3. Tap, 1, 2, 3, and tap. All right, let's see those two figures with music.
Veamos estos dos pasos con música.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip, and 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip, and let's go with a shuffle and 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. And second basic. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3 with a shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 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 shuffle, and 1, 2, 3, shuffle. All right, guys, there's two new figures for you guys to go out and dance, practice, and have fun with.
All right, you're ready to move your hips? I bet you are. Vamos, que tú puedes mover tus caderas ahora que estás listo con los nuevos pasos que aprendiste hoy.
All right, and if you guys found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel or hit that notification bell, go ahead and do it. It's right down here below. And I want to thank you for coming to this channel. We love your support. And if you guys want to help out, go ahead and check out that link below where you can help make this channel grow into a great big dance channel, because we are promoting not just dance, but we're also promoting health. And we want you guys to live long and happy lives. So keep checking it out. And the last thing down in the description below is dance items that will help you dance better on the dance floor. So once again, I'm your host, Will Auroch, and
Connie,
we are
we evolve
Dance and Fitness.